him have videos with you and Mr. Wallace. That mean him have somebody to watch you and him have somebody to trail you. And you a walk up and down by yourself like you're Jesus Christ. Even Jesus Christ did walk with 12 disciples.
Well, even Jesus Christ did say, greater works, me also I go do.
So what you do? I test if you can get resurrected after 3 days like Jesus Christ.
No, me I make sure say, me not reach the cross. And as a matter of fact, they say if any crucifixion I go on, and me I drive the nail them.
George, where you go?
Jen, it's when you're appointed to lead, you can't lead from the back.
Him gone on the road. Hilltop. Yeah, I have it. Hello? You open?
I could go inside, Jay. Your man there?
No, I'm not there.
Come and go inside. Yo, Jen. Where are the supplies?
I lay down, you know. What you do ya?
What kind of question you ask me? I tell you if things get serious and right, so I come.
Well, I go back and lay down. So what? You plan to come in for me again?
So where your man there?
You never tell me to get rid of him.
Yo, come get me something for drink now. You know, move.
worries.
Yeah, where are you?
What it look like me I do? You know, see I find me a turn on.
Yeah, I need to talk to you. Come on. Yeah, it look like the boy them finished for me dinner, Jen. I see a service van park up at the gate for about 2 days now. So I have to just dig off. So I have to tuck in yourself a couple of days until I figure out the next move.
So how you know them naturally come here?
Come on, Jen. You think of the first me do this? You're supposed to know me better than that.
Alright, Mr. Master of Disguise and Mr. Master of Hiding.
So here what? I need it for a calico piece of food for me, yeah? I have it tucked in the bank, just in case anything happens. So I give you the code for the safe deposit box, and I just rise it and forward with it. You see me I say?
Radcliffe, why you still a living in the past? Why flying on your head make you think and me still don't do things to you?
Let me tell you this, Jen. I lose over $450 million on that project there up on the hill where year man make shut down. So if you want me out of your life, you better go collect the food and carry it come give me today.
Why you kill the boy up at Hilltop for?
Me. Come on, Jim. Past them stage a long time.